Nearly 37 private acres, a stone fireplace home, barn, shop, and pool, this Meade County estate delivers the space and privacy buyers can't find anymore. Set at 410 Cedar Flat Road, this secluded Kentucky property offers refined country living just 1 hour from Louisville and a short drive to Brandenburg and Elizabethtown. Farmland and mature trees. Just beyond, a climate-controlled sunroom becomes your favorite place for morning coffee or quiet evenings overlooking the land. The main level includes a bedroom and full bath, while the upstairs primary suite serves as a private retreat with a walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and room to unwind. An open loft overlooking the living room works perfectly as a home office, reading area, or creative space. The fully finished walkout basement expands your living options with a second fireplace, additional bedroom and bath, a separate sleeping room, laundry area, and a large family room that opens directly to the outdoors. Outside, the lifestyle continues with an above-ground pool, a spacious barn ready for livestock or equipment, and a separate shop ideal for projects or storage. Portions of the acreage are fenced, and the gravel drive provides easy access throughout the property. Whether you envision a small farm, private trails, or a peaceful retreat surrounded by Kentucky countryside, this estate offers the freedom, space, and versatility today's buyers are searching for.